This place is genuinely insane. What is up guys, so basically today we are off to a disused airport. There's literally thousands of rooms in there, and the only way to get into those rooms is with some sort of electronic key. So we're going to join the tour and we're going to try and like stay away from the group and see what we can film. So we have 4 minutes to get to the tour. The train arrives in 1 minute, so we've got 3 minutes.
Over there.
And then there are steps.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So guys, we've just made it inside, and the first place we're approaching here is the kitchen.
Yes.
This place is genuinely insane. So as you can see, this is like the main terminal of the airport. It's absolutely massive. As you can see, like most of the doors are locked, so there's not really anywhere else I can go. So guys, we're now on our way to the rooftop of the building. You can see so much from up here. This view is just amazing. That, guys, is where we're going on my next video, so stay tuned. That is a mental view. So, I don't know too much history about this place, but I do know that it was built during the early 1900s, but that was only a small airport. The place during Nazi times, or during Nazi reign, was extended massively to the international airport that it eventually became. I believe that during its peak, a plane would arrive there every 60 seconds. So the main building that you see today was actually built under Nazi architecture, so that's pretty interesting. However, I do believe all Nazi symbolism has been removed, as it has been in most buildings now in Germany. Plane looks mental. Unfortunately, there's no way down to it. I honestly think this is one of the best explores I've ever been on. Even though it's technically a permission visit, it's still such an amazing building. This place is in almost perfect condition. Like, there's hardly any graffiti or anything. This is one of the oldest rooms in the building. It's not in great condition though, so that's pretty cool. You can actually see some old graffiti on the windowsill. Okay guys, so we just found out this place actually had its own gymnasium. I take back what I said earlier about the graffiti. This place is absolutely mental. This is genuinely amazing. Apparently it was used by one of the local basketball teams. So I assume what I'm walking through now is actually one of the waiting rooms, but I'm not entirely sure. Either way, as I've said plenty of times, this place is insane. Okay guys, so it turns out this place actually has a bunker. So we're hoping to go down there now and see what it's like. It might be too dark to film because I do not have a torch, so we'll see how it goes. enjoyed today's video then, guys. That place was mental. See you next week. So guys, just outside the airport we found an old plane. But it's pointless going over to see it because you can't get in anyway, so just got some footage from outside it. Looks pretty mental though. That place in there looks absolutely mental. And then you find it's actually a shooting range, so I won't be going in there.